OpenAI's ChatGPT recently released agent mode, and I believe people are still sleeping on it because you can actually use ChatGPT's agent mode to generate unlimited clients. So I'm going to show you guys the 4-step system to client acquisition using ChatGPT's agent mode in this video. The first step to generating unlimited clients with ChatGPT's agent mode is targeted list building, where we'll use ChatGPT to scrape perfect fit prospects. Then we'll use ChatGPT to generate the personalized outreach and craft the messages. Then I have a prompt for the follow-up sequences and building multi-touch campaigns that will convert. And then we have the strategic implementation, which is 3 methods to turn those leads into paying clients for you. So first of all, I created this prompt for ChatGPT. You are a B2B lead generation specialist. Based on the criteria below, return 10 qualified leads in a detailed table format. Criteria: industry, health, wellness coaches, location, United States and Canada. And for each lead, we'll be providing the business coach name, the website URL, the owner and founder, the email, of course, the LinkedIn profile, their Instagram handle, the services offered, approximate client base size, and their pain points they'll likely face. So we head over to ChatGPT, copy and paste this right here. Then next you want to click this plus sign and go to agent mode. So once it's on agent mode, it'll be able to surf the web for you and generate all these leads that you're asking for. So we go ahead and click send. And now we just wait. So right now, ChatGPT is searching for health coaches on Instagram and LinkedIn. It's refining the search approach. So it's looking for health and wellness coaches, location in the United States and Canada, of course. And it's supposed to provide everything right here in this prompt. A very simple prompt. It's just basically the criteria of your ICP, and then exactly what you want, the data that you want to generate for it. So as you can see here, ChatGPT is basically scouring the entire internet, going through directories, looking for different wellness coaches, and generating all of the information that we asked for. It did stall out on us, so I had to say continue, stop thinking for some reason, but here we go right here. And if you wanted to, you could take over and point it in the right direction. So here we go, rooted holistic health coaching. I'm focusing on key lines. As you can see, ChatGPT agent mode is running through everything, doing everything that we asked for me. So here we go. Here are 10 US Canada health and wellness coaches, leads that match your criteria: solo, under 10, active on IG, LinkedIn, emails included where publicly listed, otherwise via form. So right here we have the business coach name, the URL, owner, founder, email, LinkedIn profile, Instagram handle, services offered, all of that. Services offered, client base, likely pain points. Look at the pain points that it's given us: lead gen beyond referrals, sales system, calendar field between launches, price and power, B2B, likely pain points, offer, positioning, leadership versus wellness. So we now have all of that information just based off of this prompt. We didn't have to purchase them. We didn't have to do anything. ChatGPT went out and got all of them for us. So now next up would be generating the personalized outreach. So I come down here to my second prompt, personalized outreach. I help wellness coaches scale to 30K a month using automated client acquisition systems. For each coach in the table above, write a personalized DM/email that 1. Opens with a specific compliment about their content and approach, 2. Identifies a gap in their business model, 3. Shares how we helped similar coach go from 5 to 30K a month, and 4. A soft call to action. Would you be open to a 15-minute call to see how this could work for you? Keep it under 100 words, conversational tone, no corporate jargon. Here we go. Come right back here to ChatGPT agent mode, paste that in, and then now go ahead and send that out. So for each coach in the table above, it's going to write a personalized DM and email for them. So here we go. What ChatGPT basically is doing right now, agent mode is searching for each business's website, information on them. They're looking for all the information on all of these businesses, all these leads, and it's crafting a personalized outreach message for all of them. This is the type of work that used to take VAs days or weeks to accomplish. Now you can do all of this in literally 10 minutes. So ChatGPT has finished off the personalized outreach messages for each code. Hi Nadine, I love your philosophy of using food to heal our bodies and teaching clients to enjoy eating rather than dieting. It sounds like you're doing an amazing one-on-one work, but may rely on referrals An automated pipeline could keep your calendar full year round. We helped another weight loss coach go from 5K to 30K a month with a system that attracts and nurtures leads. Would you be open to a 15-minute call to see how this could work for you? So this is pretty much, in terms of copywriting, this is pretty good. It opens up with a compliment, lets them know that we've been doing our research on them. We're telling them what their problem may be, and then we give them the solution immediately. We also tell them that we've helped another weight loss coach go from 5 to 30K a month. So this is pretty solid right here. So at this point, we could start our outreach and start copying and pasting all of these messages to the respective DMs, emails, along with that. But instead, what we're actually going to do is take it a step further, and we're going to create a follow-up sequence. So we grab that prompt right here, and then copy and paste it into there, and we'll go ahead and add all the messages to the existing table for accessibility, so Agent Mo doesn't have to do too much research, since all the research that is needed is basically already done. And at this point, we just wait for it to craft the remainder of the follow-up sequence, and then we could start outreach. So cool. Based off of this prompt right here, it has generated a new table, has added all the messages to the existing table. And if we come over here, here they go. Follow-up 1, which is day 3. Follow-up 2, which is day 7, follow-up 3, day 10, and follow-up 4, which would be at the 2-week mark. So let's read the first one. Hi Nadine, I hope you're having a great week. I put together a free guide on eating well without dieting, and it aligns with your philosophy of using food to heal. Would you like me to send it? Wow. Day 2, we help the weight loss coach move from 5 to 30K a month, of course. Day 3, I opened a few spots, so you guys get it, basically. Very simple framework. So at this point, what you could do is you could upload these leads to an email sending platform such as Smart Lead and Instantly, and then you would copy and paste all of these follow-up sequences in there. Or what I like to do, what we're seeing immense success with, is instead of cold emails, you can use the LinkedIn voice note method, where you take your personalized first lines and record 15-second voice notes on LinkedIn. The response rate is amazing. We're seeing about 73 response rates from using our voice. Since everybody else on LinkedIn seems to be using automated softwares, people who personalize and actually show signs of being a real human being are getting the most results. Strategy 2 is the Instagram story reply hack. We use the pain point column to reply to Instagram stories with hyper relevant solutions. So we'll come back over here and check out the pain points column. So likely pain points for the first one: lead gen beyond referrals, sales systems, calendar fill. Go under there. Offer positioning, leadership versus wellness. What do you really do? Here, building awareness, consistent content cadence, so they probably don't have enough followers or probably not posted enough. And number 3 is basically this, what I use to launch, is the value first Facebook group strategy. You find Facebook groups in your niche where your ICP hangs out, and then you answer their questions using insights from your research. So these are 3 different ways other than cold email to outreach to your ICP. And personally, out of these 3, I saw the most success with the Facebook group strategy. This is a system that agencies charge upwards of $5,000 to implement into businesses. I've dropped the entire prompt inside the school community. It's free for now, but won't be for long. Make sure you join while you can. And if you're interested in scaling your business with autonomous systems such as these, whether you're a coach, consultant, or local business, you can book a call with me or my agency, link below. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.